How to make Aternos server for Java and Bedrock. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can create an Aternos server for both the Java and Bedrock editions. So for this, at first you have to create an Aternos account. You can go to visit the Aternos website, that is aternos.org. Now if you do not have an account, you have to click on the option of sign up button and follow the instruction to create one. If you already have an account, you can also directly click on the option of login. Once logged in, you can click on the Create button to start a new server. Then you can choose the Java edition or the Bedrock edition depending on your preference. You have to note that if you want to support both the versions, you will need to configure the plugins or use a proxy later. After that, you have to choose a name for your server. For Java edition, you can choose from Vanilla, Spigot, Paper, etc. And for Bedrock edition, you can choose the options like Pocket Mine, MP, etc. Now you have to select the Minecraft version that you would like to learn. Now you can click on the Start button and the server will take a few minutes to initialize. While the server is starting, you can go to the Options tab to adjust the game settings like difficulty, game mode, and more. In the Players tab, you can also manage the whitelist, operators, and the ban players. To allow both the Java and the Bedrock players to join a server, you need to install the Geyser and the Floodgate plugins. For the Java edition servers, you can go to the plugins or the mods section and search for the Geyser MC and the Floodgate and install them. For the Bedrock servers, you might need to install the compatible versions or use a software like Pocket Mine MP with appropriate plugins. After the installation, you can configure the plugins by editing the configuration files. You have to ensure that your server's IP and the ports are correctly set up to accept both the Java and the Bedrock connection. Now for the Java players, open the Minecraft Java Edition client. You can go to the multiplayer and add your server using the IP address provided by the Aternos. And for the Bedrock players, you have to open the Minecraft Bedrock Edition client and then go to the play and then the servers. Here you have to add your server using the IP address and the port provided by the Aternos. Now you have to use the Aternos dashboard to start, stop, and restart your server. You can access the console for the real-time server management. You have to regularly back up your server using the backup feature and Aternos to avoid any kind of data loss. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.